Hi, want to know how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on your Samsung Galaxy A25? As a first step, we would need to open Settings on our phone and then open this tab, which is named Connections. Click on it and here make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled, which means that this slider is supposed to be blue. Then click on this text Wi-Fi, and as a next step, we would need to find our available networks list, which looks like this, and here you'll be able to see all of the Wi-Fi networks in the radius. So here I will choose my Wi-Fi by clicking on it, and as a next step we would need to enter the password from the Wi-Fi if your network is protected. Here we can also take a look on the password by clicking on this eye icon and also choose if we would like to auto reconnect to this Wi-Fi or not. As a next step, click on this blue button Connect, and in few whiles, if the password is correct, you should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. Here you can see it's blue and also text connected. And this is it. I hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.